Like the people we build our products for, the problem solvers, creators, adventurers, we too are innovative makers. At our manufacturing facility in Portland, Oregon, each Leatherman we make goes through 150 plus steps. It's a complex process that's evolved over 4 decades. Within our sprawling factory are all the machines, systems, and over 500 passionate people that turn raw steel into a Leatherman multipurpose tool. Engineers create and design tools in a 3D environment, depending on the complexity of the part. Prototypes are machined or 3D printed for testing and validation purposes. Once the parts are designed, we construct dies for the future Leatherman products. Our team of engineers and machinists innovate and work together to create the components for our tools. This step is so precise that the tolerances of dies are 1/1000th of an inch. Now we're ready to manufacture parts. American steel is brought into our factory and formed in a variety of operations. Progressive stamping creates the part in steps within the same die, some dies having up to 17 different steps. Fine blanking, a precision extrusion process most commonly used in making watch gears. Once this step is complete, the excess steel is recycled, while the tool parts are sent to heat treatment. This is done at a specialized facility in Portland with large-scale ovens. Heat treatment gives each part its needed traits. Knife blades are hardened to retain an edge, while handles are given flexibility after heat treatment. Each part is then sent to mass finish to be deburred and polished. Thousands of parts tumble in large bowls with ceramic media and polishing compounds. Once they're done, they're sent out to the factory to be prepared for assembly into each Leatherman tool. Specialized components are cut and finished. Blades are sharpened and polished. Jaws are coined, riveted, polished, and tested. Colored handles are sprayed with a Cerakote finish. Every Leatherman tool is then assembled by hand and examined on the line to ensure maximum quality. Our products are then packed and shipped to over 175 locations around the world. So wherever work or adventure takes you, you'll be ready for anything.